Okay. Good morning, Greg.
Hello, Frank. How are you?
Just fine. I'm going to need
Welcome
you to.
North Carolina
Thank you very much.
in all of its glory.
Here sit some of the other crew sitting over here around the fire pit. No fire. A couple of guys running the way right now. Anyway, here we are. We just had pasta frita for breakfast.
Show all your friends your collection of motorcycles you have here.
I have already done that. This collection of motorcycles is incredible. This is my brother Kim's 1994 Road King. Still on the road, 300,000 miles, still on the road. He rides the heck out of that. Isn't this beautiful? My brother Scotty.
All of Frank's followers need to know that Frank is 82 years old. He's started this nonsense by buying a Harley Davidson 125. And
you used to take me riding on his motorcycle, come and pull me out of school, and take me for long rides down to Richmond.
Yeah.
So now we're all into bikes because of him. All right, so it's all his fault. All this money we spent, it's all your fault.
All my fault. Scotty and I used to go to Cherrydale Elementary and tell them he had a dental appointment and take him out of school and put him on the gas tank of the little Harley 125, and we went for hours. Just everywhere on that little Harley.
And I never made the dental appointments. I got bad teeth.
Yeah.
Here, Greg.
Look at this. Look at this place. Oh my God. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Excuse me.
Out of your 50 Chevrolet,
Yeah.
the door
No,
open.
that was Greg.
Was it
Greg.
Greg?
Greg turned the corner, the door opened, and Greg went rolling right out of the car.
I have.
Yeah.
No shit.
Yeah.
Of course.
Yeah, I know.
Right out of my 1950 Chevrolet.
37.5. I'll leave it at that.
I have no idea what's in this Triumph's tires. It ran fine yesterday. Felt good.
It felt good.
Yep.
I just had new tires put on this, so I thought they would be good. But I don't trust the dealers.
No.
Checking myself.
I got my RV back from service. They put 90 pounds of tires. 90 pounds in some of the tires. And my little RV runs 65 pounds. Anyway, we're just sitting around talking to John and having fun. And first deal, we took a ride yesterday and a ride the day before. Today is going to be, as described, a mild ride, and I am going to go on it. Now, tomorrow is supposed to be... Tomorrow is going to be an intense ride. They're going to go ride the devil's asshole or something like that. And I'm not going to go on that one. I'll spend the day here or running around and doing some stuff to the rig that I've been putting off and maybe do some laundry. So today, mild ride, and they'll probably be leaving in a couple hours. We got one more arrival scheduled to come here around noon today, coming down from Virginia, and that'll be the whole crew. All right, today's shirt is Route 66 in Arizona. And and Kim is the human Zoom. I don't think there's anything on the back of the shirt at all.
Nothing at all.
Nothing at all. But today's shirt is Route 66.
There you go, brother.
Bringing the bikes out, We're airing up the tires, making sure all the tires are all aired up.
Hey, Frank.
Yo.
You ought to check Kim's oil, too.
Okay.